Hi, I've been selected to review, product test the Swan Retro coffee machine. Here's the box. I got it in the colour blue, which I think suits it very well. It is aimed at the era of the 50s, which I think the machine, here it is, looks authentic to the time period they were aiming for. Well, it's like pale blue, which I think looks lovely. It came with a double filter, a single filter, which I've got coffee in ready, your spoon to put your coffee in your filter, and the packer down, and a brush. Now, the machine has a steamer. This controls the steamer. This heats up the steamer ready. That pours your coffee and that turns the machine on. That machine's on ready. It's green, ready to pour. Just need to put the filter in. It's got the water tank back here, which just has here, which easily lifts off like that. Use it aside back on like that. Now the machine is really light, which is good, easy to move about, take in and out of cupboards if you store it in cupboards, so it's lovely, small enough to keep on the worktop. I think it looks good in any kitchen, modern kitchen, old-fashioned kitchen. It's kind of like a modern 50s style, very authentic. The instructions were some quite long, but easy to read. They've got plenty picture diagrams that tell you what everything is and explains. So I'll show you what it does. So it's all on, turned on, ready, lights green. Got coffee filter, got your coffee in ready. It's just Morrison's roast and ground coffee. And one thing I like about this is you can have it with any type of coffee. It's either side in there. You do have to hold the machine still to put it into position 3, so it doesn't move the machine, as like I said, the machine's quite light. And then you put the cup under. Oh! Now, I do think it is quite loud at first, but it stops after a couple of seconds. It does make noise, but not as loud. It's quite fast. The machine is £99. Comes in a lot of colours. You know, pinks, creams, white, blue, others I think as well. I think it's reasonable. Coffee machine, you know, it's got a steamer, goes quite fast, it's retro style. I would definitely recommend it, especially at that price. Don't think I'll get it any cheaper. Right, so we'll stop it there. Got milk in my jug. The jug didn't come with the machine, it's a little bit big for a machine, but press this button here and it heats up the steamer, wait for that light to go on. Now I got requested to review this on the 13th of February, that's when I accepted, and they got it sent out extremely fast. It arrived on Wednesday the 19th, so in 6 days of accepting to it arriving, very fast. It came through Royal Mail, very, very good company. I think they were very polite, came very fast. It was packed well, wasn't in a box too big for itself, you know, but didn't come damaged, came perfect condition. And yeah, I think it was brilliant how fast it came. And like I said, the price, fab, absolutely amazing. So now, light's gone on. Got my jug, I'll just turn it on so you can see. Lights on. Got a steamer here. And my jug's, like I said, my jug's a little bit big. what kind of position, and get it milk into it, and then turn off the steaming heater, and you just slowly turn this to froth your milk. That does make a bit of a noise, but you don't need to do it long. That's my milk frothed. Just a damp cloth, wipe it down. Take out your coffee and put your milk. Didn't really get the frother in there very well, but it tastes great. Like I said, you can have any ground roast coffee in it. You just hold it still, remove that, and dispose of that in the bin. And there we are. Simple, quick, fast. All you have to do, turn it off, unplug it, and now it's ready for the next use. Fab. Well, thank you for choosing me to test this product. Love it.